Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix Moonpay app not working. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the buy, sell, and swap options. We have also the Moonpay account, popular tokens. And in the top right corner, we have notifications, default currency, theme, support, terms and privacy, and delete your account, and the logout option, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Moonpay app not working. So for this kind of thing, you have a couple options actually. So you can first of all go and log out of your profile and try logging in again. Then the second thing that you can of course go and do is go and delete the whole application and then go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download the application again. This is the highest chances that it will succeed. Of course, you can go and restart your internet connection on your phone, and you can go and restart it in your home or of course your mobile data if you are on the mobile data. And one last option guys, of course, is to also go and just go and exit the app and try going into the app again. So this is just a basic thing. Of course, you can go and shut down your whole phone and then turn on your phone again. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.